Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create your avatar on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. Then go to your profile icon. When you are on this page, tap on Edit Profile. Now tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. Then tap on Create Avatar. First of all, choose Skin Tone. Then tap on Next, select a hairstyle. Now hair color. Then face shape and outfit. Now if you want to make more changes, then go to more personalization. Here you will see a lot of editing options. Here you can change the body size, shape and color of eyes. You can easily change lips color, shape, and thickness. Play around these, and when you are satisfied with your avatar, save the changes. It will take a few seconds. Now you can use your avatar in stickers and as a profile photo. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.